Hi sa tanan, welcome to another site tour here in West Highlands for this house is for sale. So tara, uban ko. So upon entering the house, you can park your one car SUV and you are welcome with your nice garden here. Over. So di ba? Ma-amaze ka and then look at it. Naka tiles tanan, amazing. As in, personally pag ko sa balay before, kaayos siya. So, shoes off. And then, as you step in, you are welcome with your living area. Diba, amazing kayo? And not just this. This, over here is Napotay entertainment area here. Diba? Amazing. And then, your kitchen area. Ganahan di ko black yun. As in, ma-amaze yun ko ani. And the great thing about this is separate ang imuhang dining area for exclusivity. So, di ba, privacy over here. Di ba, amazing? Look at to. Tapos nakaka-view si mong garden. While enjoying your food, ma-enjoy po ka sa view. Oh, nindot kayo. As in, di ba? Oh, all the design, interior design siya. So, as you see in this video, kani siya is naanay gamit and appeal na siya sa pagbaligya. So, aircon in the living area and then let's proceed upstairs. Check this out, di ba? Amazing kayo ang upstairs. And we have more natural light windows, natural light to come in. So, first is your one bedroom over here. So, di ba? Abundance lang mga windows. O, di ba? Amazing kayo. Na-amaze ko sa balay dyan, as in. And your common toilet and bath here. Tapos over here is spare room pero gigamit siya sa owner for mag-change siyang clothes or ang din area pero pwede din siya mahimong another bedroom here. And what I love about this is the master's bedroom with your own toilet and bath. Lock lang siya. Di ba nice kayo? Pagka-design, interior niya. And, kani. Di ba? While, nag-enjoy ka si mong master's area, nag-enjoy pa kasi mong view, makita ni mo diri, silahang terrace, tapos iyang gi-extend. Hindot kayo, amazing kayo, di ba? So, this house is for sale here in Butuan City in West Highlands. So, if you want to know about more about this property, do message me and I'll be happy to assist. So, I'm Jesse Enjoy of the Security. Thank you for watching.